Hey guys, Rich with the Fireplace by Magic Touch here in Mesa. In our showroom, standing in front of the Napoleon Clearion see-through electric fireplace. I wanted to do a quick review on this fireplace and some of its features, sizes, and what makes this fireplace very unique from everything else on the market. So again, Napoleon Clearion. What we have here is 50 inches wide. It's also available in 60 inches wide. We have the stainless surround here. It also comes with a black surround, which I'll go around to the other side and show you this because, again, this is a see-through fireplace. We'll look at those features. So it's basically two fireplaces for the price of one. You could have this in two rooms, basically, through the wall like it's shown. So I'm going to grab the remote here, and first off, it is the only see-through electric fireplace on the market today. There are many see-through gas fireplaces on the market, but this is the only see-through electric on the market. One of the standout features of the Napoleon Clearion is its ability to add privacy or remove privacy. And so I'm going to demonstrate that with this button here on the remote. We're going to go from opaque, as we're seeing now, to semi-opaque, to full see-through fireplace. Again, only fireplace on the market that even has the ability to be see-through. But when you want some privacy, let's say this is in a hallway in a bedroom or between two bedrooms, you simply press a button and you can make it semi-opaque, completely opaque, and have some privacy. This model comes with 3 flame colors. Right now we have it on orange, as you can see, but you could also do a multicolor, so a little bit of orange, a little bit of red, a little bit of blue, and you can kind of change that around a little bit and go back to your full orange. You can go back to full blue, so I'll show you that. You also have 5 different ember bed colors to pick from, and then within each of the 5 ember bed colors, you have 3 different dimness or brightness settings. So let me demonstrate that a little bit here. So obviously we have a green ember bed, we have a purplish pink ember bed, we have a yellow ember bed, a red ember bed, blue, completely blue, and then the brightnesses themselves. And you can also completely turn that off. You can use it with or without heat, like any electric fireplace. That's kind of one of the best things about electric fireplaces. But one standout feature of the Napoleon Clearion see-through fireplace is that you can have, first off, 2 different heat settings. You can have 5,000 BTUs of heat or 10,000 BTUs of heat, depending on how you hook it up. But what is really interesting about this fireplace is if I'm in this side of the room and I just want heat in here, but the person in the next room does not want heat, I can have the heat on in this room and no heat on there, or we can have both sides heating simultaneously. So it's kind of independent control, which is something unique to just the Napoleon Clearion. That's really a standout feature of this. This fireplace ships with a crystal glass, crystal embers, if you will, topaz glass, which we don't have in here, and then a variety of driftwood logs and stones, which we have here. But you can also choose from a variety of different fiberglass colors if you want red or blue or what have you. You don't have to have these logs in here. You can or you can't, so it's kind of personal preference. What we have here is we have this set up in a 2x8 wall, but you can also install this in a 2x4 wall. There are different frame kits available for this. This is made for the 2.8, so it sits flush into the wall. You can see we have some decorative acoustic wall panels here surrounding it. This is just to demonstrate we sell about 25 different colors and styles of acoustic walls as one of our surround options. And obviously we have half just in drywall so people can kind of get a feel for what this fireplace would look like just in a regular drywall wall as well. You know, you can bring anything you want right up to the edge of the frame. Stone, anything combustible. Again, another beauty of electric fireplaces that we don't get with a gas fireplace, which we sell many of. It ships with 2 remote controls. It also has, if this is lost in the couch somewhere, etc., you have a disappearing screen, and all your controls can be controlled here just by touching the screen, and it will disappear. So we can have it in basically just off mode, and you can have kind of a see-through look going on. You don't have to have the flames operating to have it still be see-through or opaque or what have you. It ships with a black surround, but you can also add this stainless surround for a 2x4 wall. This adds $409, and for a 2x8 wall like we have here, this adds $459. The 50-inch MSRP is $24.99, $2,499. The 60-inch, obviously a foot wider, is $28.99. I think it's a fantastic looking fireplace. It certainly captures a lot of attention here. Great for areas where maybe you have a den or something like that, and you want kind of create an open look out to the hallway, a window if you will, inside. Great for offices, connecting offices. Again, you know, just simply kind of click that for privacy or semi-privacy, what have you. Very unique feature. Again, I'm Rich with The Fireplace by Magic Touch. We're located in downtown Mesa, Arizona. We have over a dozen electric fireplaces from different brands on display. We have gas fireplaces, gas log sets, surrounds, and all kinds of basically anything needed to hook up your fire space. We will install it for you, or if you're a do-it-yourselfer, working with a contractor already, we sell cash and carry as well. So check us out. Our website is thefireplacearizona.com. Excuse me, no it's not. It's thefireplaceaz.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Oh, nope, I'm not gonna go yet. I'm gonna show you guys the other side of this fireplace. So, let me take you around. Okay, there it is with the black surround. It also ships with these stainless, these are magnetic buttons. You can actually just take them off, but they add kind of a cool little look to it. And yeah, there you go. Controls on this side as well, obviously. Let's go ahead and put on some flames. And there you go. Thanks for watching.